Hey everybody, welcome back. Let me show you guys what I will be working on next. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna take this one out, put this one in, and I'm gonna make these holes bigger so I could install my new brake controller right here. But this is what they look like. Has a little cover, and then the other pieces right here. Just make this opening right here. Come on, work with me here. Like this. Put that in there, and then look at that. Trim this back just a little bit and put it right there like that, so you will not see any of the openings. And then the other one, I will put it right there like that, and it will kind of look factory, because otherwise you will have to put it back there and it will be in the way, and then whenever my dog comes in the car, in the truck, he just runs right through it and he was just going to destroy it. I know that. And I will keep everything looking kind of like that right here. So let's get going. Right there. I gotta tell you, it looks OEM to me. So that's all you're gonna see. And then now I'm gonna put this over just to cover those little gaps there. First I gotta trim a little bit. Alright. A little crooked back here, but I don't think you can see it. At least not highway speed. Okay. So now we will go like this. Oh, look at that. That looks great. There it is. I have it all marked out. It's looking good. I just gotta get in here and make that little cut right here. Little corners. I'm not sure whether I want to do it with the knife or with a trimmer. Maybe probably can cut a little more and then finish it over the knife. Here is the final product. Doesn't look too bad. Definitely very happy the way it turned out. The back, I just use my glue gun, glue the whole back, and then I super glue that little cover. Looking at it, you can see a tiny little gaps here. On the bottom, it doesn't matter. You can barely see it. and then focus right there. So it turned out pretty good. That almost, honestly, I put the other one right next to it. It really looks OEM. Well, at least it's mounted where the original one should go. So now I just gotta pop this one out and pop the other one in, run the cables underneath, and hopefully it's plug and play. Cable 1, 2 is right here. Pull the cables and done. It was smelling like something was burning. I was kind of scared for a second. Then I realized that it was my soldering iron. It was right underneath me right here. But anyway, so I'm gonna solder everything now. Alright guys, well, the mess is clean. Everything's put away. That's the small box. This is what it looks like. OEM. And this is the aftermarket one. Everything looks good. Works fine. I like it. 60 miles an hour on the highway. You can't tell. A little bit gap here, there. I can live with that. Cool. So guys, if you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe, please comment, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next one.